Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to talk about one another data structure in Python. We call it tuples. So like list, tuples can also store different type of values. Okay, but there are some differences between list and tuple. Another similarity is they have indexes. Like in strings, like in list, we have indexes. Similarly, tuples also have indexes. One difference is that when you create tuples instead of square brackets, we use circular parentheses. So that's a difference between tuple and a list. So for example, if you want to print first element, you can use 0 index. Last element negative. You can also use slicing. So the concept of indexes, negative indexing and slicing is same in strings, list and tuples. Okay. If you want to convert something to a string, for example, I have a list and I have a string. I want to convert this to a tuple. I can use a function called tuple. Like to convert from us, if I want to convert a list to a string to a list, I can use list function. Similarly, here I have a function tuple. So if I want to convert a list, I simply use tuple function, provide this as an input. Okay, and we will get a list, a tuple. So here a tuple is created. Okay, so and the elements of any tuple is separated by commas. If you want to find the length, you can simply use a length function. Okay, so if I have, let's suppose, let me print it here. If I have, let's suppose if I take this demo function, I want to print its length, I will simply put it here and we will get the length. This length function works same for list, strings and tuples. So this tuple has 4 elements. Okay, now one big difference is of can you change a tuple or not. Like when we were studying list, we made a change, we updated one of the element of the list and it was still a list. Okay, that means you can easily update a list. But if you try to change any element, like here I am trying to change the third element. Third element is here, I want to change it to 20. It will not work. Similarly, when I have a string, I want to change one of its character, I am not able to do it. So similarly, if you have 4 elements, if you want to change any element of a tuple, you can't do that. You will get an error. So if I run this here, I will get this error. Tuple object does not support item assignment. Now you can do this thing in a list. Now if I take the same thing and let me put it here, I make a list of it. Let me call it demo L1. I'm just changing the name and I will make it a list. Rest I will keep everything same. I will not get that error here. Now this is a list. Now I can do here, I will not get any error. This works fine. Oh, sorry, I have to put here index 2 also. Now if I run this, I will not have any problem. Now this is changed, whereas this is not allowed in tuple. So that's why we call tuples are immutable. Since these tuples are immutable, we use them to store data which we don't want to change. Okay, for example, I want to store SSN, date of birth or something else in which we don't expect much changes. In those cases, we can use tuples because they are not that flexible when it comes to changing any elements. Okay, so I will stop here for this video. Thank you for watching.